Hello and welcome guys. Today I'll show you how to create the liquid glass effect with less than a minute. Creating a new shape, draw the rectangle you want. I changed the roundness. Now we go to effects and we search for liquid glass. And if you want this plugin, please comment liquid glass after subscribing to my channel, so I'll auto send it to you. Now we go and change source layer to the background, and here you can see I can play with the reflection, strength and scale and IOR. There's also the glass body itself. You can change the parameters, and we have more settings to tweak, but I didn't want to make the video longer. Don't forget to subscribe.